Hello Xano community, and welcome to release 1.56. Included in this release are a revamped debugger, native UUID support, Ask AI bot, enabled disable support for API groups and APIs, and zip file support. The new debugger in Xano takes the traditional debugging experience and gives it the no-code treatment, enabling you to step through each line of execution, jump to specific points in your function stack, add breakpoints, and even use custom JavaScript statements for more advanced monitoring and calculation while troubleshooting. A long-requested feature, we've added the ability to replace the standard sequential integer ID with a randomly generated UUID, giving you greater flexibility when designing your Xano database. We've taken our awesome Ask AI bot from our community and implemented it right inside of Xano. Any questions you might have while building in Xano, just ask the bot and it'll pour through our resources to talk you through it, even citing its sources so you can go straight to the heart of the information with ease. Have you ever needed to cut off access entirely to specific API groups or API endpoints? Now you can. A quick toggle in the appropriate settings panel allows you to easily enable or disable access. No longer will you need to leverage a third-party service to work with zip files in your function stacks. With our native zip file functions, you can now create zip files, extract them, or add and remove files. Password-protected zip support is included. For a full list of bug fixes and improvements, check out the Xano community post link below, and we'll see you next time.